Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new design tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of creative offer design, which is the mega deal and other stuffs. So I'm just doing this one into Illustrator to 2020, and I'll show you the easiest process how to make this one in your Illustrator. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file and then going to the new options, I'm taking pixels here 1200 and 1200, and color mode you can take the RGB for the web purpose, and here the CMYK for the print purpose. So whichever do you prefer, you can just go ahead, hit the create button, and after that you will get the blank artboard or canvas. Going to the text tool at first, writing something over there and giving the text font like Poppins, so like this type of bold type, and making this word 100. That's good. And mega, and another one is deal. That's good. And then I'm selecting this one, right press and create outline. So create outline means it's no longer font, this one is shape now. And then press the shift and hold it, making it bigger, and press the shift and hold it, making it bigger. Right press and create outline, and just like that. So that's good. Or you can rotate a little bit like this, or you can make the share tool over here. You can do share tool and a little bit of cursive, not too much, a little bit, and like that. So I have some color swatch. I'm taking this color swatch over there. It will help me out to make my design properly. So I already added another colors these type of colors, and then over there, and some kind of red, and then a gradient like this. So I took this later, that's why I'm just adding over there, and it will help me out to make my design. So here, nice. Here I'll take at first this one, press Alt or Option button and make copy, and just copy this one, make this one like this, and sending into the back. Okay, here I'll take the yellow one, I for the color picker. That's good. And selecting two letters and two things. Here I'm making this one a little bit like this. Okay, that's good. Selecting two shape or two text or two layers, that means the yellow, which is the bright, and the darker one. And here is a blend tool. Select over here the front one and the back one, and then double press in a blend tool and specified steps, and giving here 50 steps. And here is the preview option. Let's see. That's good, and hit OK. That's nice. Or I'll take the darker one, this one, and the behind I'll take the more darker one. Okay, that's good for me. And now I'm just double pressing over there to get the inner layer. Ctrl C for the copy, and Ctrl A for the forward paste, I for the color picker, and just selecting once. Okay, that's good. And I'll make this one, the down one, a little bit of like this. That's good. And now I'll treat the deal. So same way, I'm making this one into the front, and press Alt or Option button to make copy, and sending into the back, and giving the color which is darker one. That's good. Selecting two things or two layers, and after that here is a blend tool, 1 2. That's good. Double press over there, specified space, and making this one 50, and hit OK. That's good. And now I'll just copy this one, the front one, Ctrl C for the copy, and then double press and Ctrl F for the forward paste, I for the color picker, and taking this. Okay, our initial work is done now. and we'll do other stuffs. So I'll make this one group and this one group, and double press over there. I'm taking this one and making this one into the copy, the outside of this. Okay, that's good. And going to the object and like here the path and offset path, and making this one 4. You can make this one round as you wish, and hit the OK button. And I'm just deleting, actually you have to make this one ungroup and deleting the upper layer, or you can make this one into like this, whichever do you prefer. Okay, now I'll give the like a blue color over there. I'll treat now this. Okay, taking the blue and then press Alt Option button to copy, and I for the color picker and making or sending it to the down layer. Okay, that's good. Selecting 2 layers and going to the like blend tool, same steps. That's good. And now I'll make this one into the downside of the layer. Okay, that's good. You can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and this one like this. I have to make this one like that. Okay, now I'll make this one, going to the effect, going to the like over there styles and drop shadow. I'll make the drop shadow over there. That's good. And I'll make this one bigger. It will make sense. That's fine. You can take this. Okay, that's nice. And I'll apply the drop shadow, going to the like effects, here the styles and drop shadow. That's good, and hit OK. The same policy I'll apply over there, taking the one copy, Control F for the forward paste. I'll make a like offset path, going to the object and path and offset path. From here you can increase or decrease. That's good, and hit OK. Here is the pathfinder and merge this one. That's good, and you can merge, and same thing I'll apply over there. I'll make this one, and then make this one another copy by like that, I from the color picker, and another one sending into the back layer. That's good. And here these 2 things, which is the blend tool and sending into the back of this. That's good. I'll make it a little bit bigger and placing over there. So I have to make this one like that, and I'll keep. Okay, that's good. I have to make it bigger and bigger. That's good. And then going to the effects, going to the styles and drop shadow. That's fine. And making this one bigger, not too much. Yeah, and the like lower one, the backside one, styles and drop shadow, and hit OK. That's good. Here I'll make this one into bigger like this. Okay, that's fine. And a little bit smaller. That's good. I'll rotate this one a little bit, like 8 degree. That's fine. I'll send this one into the upper side, taking this one. Yeah, that's good. Control G for the group and placing into the middle of the artboard. And now we'll do other work like this type of graffiti things. So how to do that? V from the keyboard and making the random shape like this, and taking 2 or 3 colors and press Alt Option button. Okay, the lighter one, lighter blue, or I'll take the pink color, and then I'll take the yellow color. Actually I should take the red one or blue one, this blue, and this one should be like this. Okay, now I'll make another copy like this. That's good. And here repeat this one, Control D and D, D and D. Okay, selecting all the steps, I'll make this one into random wise. So going to the transform, and here transform each, and here I just use the settings like 90. This, that is the scattered one. That's good. And you can make this one more scattered if you want. Yeah, that's good. And like this, and you can make or explore like this. I think that is 100% should be good. And here if I make, I have to give here transform object and transform patterns, here scale, stroke, everything, and random, and hit OK. Now I'll do a little bit of work over there, like these and these should be like there, and like there. Okay, using some gaps. Okay, that's fine. I should use these, or I should use the red. So you can make this one random wise if you want. Here should be the blue one, and here should be the this blue, and here should be, that's good. Okay, selecting all the steps, making it group, and then placing over there. You can make this one smaller, you can make this one like this, and sending into the back layer. That's good. And now going to the pen tool again, P for the pen tool, and making a shape like this from the center. Yeah, that's fine. And I should make this one into like a gradient, and the opacity should be 0 in this pole. Okay, now R from the keyboard, that is the rotation tool, and select once over there, press the Alt option button and rotate this one a little bit, and press Ctrl D, and repeat this one, hold the controller command and repeat this one. That's good. And now I should group all the steps, selecting all the steps except these and this. So this one is our group, making it group and placing it into the middle of the artboard, and our gradient should be radial and like this. And here black should be a little bit of ash type. That's good. And I'll send it into the back side of the all layers. So that's good. And now I'll take the background, which is like this, I from the keyboard and ash color, and sending it to the back. That's good. And now for the polka dots, how to make the polka dots, how should I do that? And sending here, taking the ellipse tool, drawing ellipse like that. Here is a gradient, which is this gradient, and making this one circular and like this. Okay, I'll make this one a little bit of this type of center. Okay, that's good. And like this, nice. And now going to the effects, here is a pixelate and the color halftone, and here 30 for the max radius, 90 for the channels, channel 1 2 3, 90 all the steps, and hit OK. Okay, that's good. And V from the keyboard. And now you can change the color, double pressing over there, you can give like this or this. Okay, I'm giving here this color, and the white should be like down opacity, or you can make this 100% as you wish. Okay, that's good. And now making this one a little bit of bigger and placing over there, into sending into the back, and sending this background into the back. And now I'll blend this one from here and making this one overlay. Yeah, that's fine. You can make a little bit bigger like this if you want, or you can make this one multiply. So if I keep multiply, I should make this one like a smaller. Yeah, that's good. Or you can down the opacity if you want, or if I make this one bigger. Okay, overlay soft light. Yeah, soft light is good as well, but I would prefer this one like that. So polka dots here. Here is other color burn. It could be color burn. Yeah, that's good. And here you can go into the object and expand appearances. That's good. And our design is almost ready. And making this one into middle. This one should be bigger and should be middle. And here I'll change up this to this. Okay, subtle one. And now we'll write down something, this type of word. I'm copying this one. Which offer you are giving, you can do over there. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now time to change the color from here, because of I want to make this one is red, another one is the blue. So red, here the front one, I just double press over there and front one just selected, and I from the color picker and selecting the red. Okay, and V from the keyboard and the downward, there is a blue, and I'll take the dark red. So where is the target? Take the red from here, and you can double press in the swatch and just make the dark red, and just double press into the outside. You are getting the offer like this. And that's all for today. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share to your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment in my video comment section. And stay safe, stay healthy. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.